Hi, today's lecture is all about the basic principles of fire. The fire triangle constitutes the different elements, and with fuel, source of ignition, and oxygen. And for fuel, we have flammable solids, liquids, or gases. And for our source of ignition, we can have flame, hot surface, static electricity, or etc. And for our oxygen, we can have oxygen from air or any other oxidizing substances. For our sources of ignition, we have naked flames, external sparks, internal sparks, hot surfaces, or static electricity. For naked flames, this comes from cooking appliances, burning materials, heating appliances, and others. For our external sparks, this comes from welding sparks, grinding metals, electrical switchgears, and etc. For internal sparks, this comes from electrical equipment or any machinery. And for hot surfaces, this comes from lighting, cooking appliances, and others. And for our static electricity, these are sparks coming from the separation of materials, such as unwinding plastic and pouring flammable liquids. And for our sources of fuel, we have different sources, like solids, liquids, and gases. And for solid materials, this includes wood, cardboard, paper, soft varnishings such as carpets and curtains. And for our liquid as source of fuel, we can have petrol, paraffin, white spirit, thinners, varnish, and paints, or liquefiable solids such as candles and fats. We can also have gases as our sources of fuel. Gases such as LPG or the liquefied petroleum gas, like methane, propane, or those involving natural gases. The last element of fire triangle is oxygen. Oxygen comes from air, or in cylinders containing air, as well as any oxidizing chemicals, which includes nitrates, chlorates, peroxides, and others. So far, I have presented to you the basic principles of fire. And to summarize, we have the fire triangle. The three elements include fuel, ignition source, and oxygen. And for our sources of ignition, we have naked flames, external sparks, internal sparks, hot surfaces, and static electricity. And for our sources of fuel, we have three sources of fuels. We have solids, liquids, and gases. And for our oxygen, oxygen comes from air or in cylinders containing oxygen, and in any oxidizing substances. Thank you. That ends this presentation. If you like this video and are interested in more information about environment, health, and safety, please click the like button below and subscribe.